Hey fam, welcome back to the channel. We at Condado over in Midtown Detroit. I think that's what it is. But anyway, check out the queso, you guys. Oh my goodness, y'all have to get a bite. You guys, it had the roasted red peppers, guys, and the cheese sauce. It was so delicious. How did you like that bite? But anywho, you guys, I wanted to go back to this Mexican restaurant because I enjoy my time on my birthday, right? So, we have Carter in the background, you guys. I keep calling you guys. Bam! I gotta get this together. Okay, but anywho, you guys, this was so tasty. Now, I had the ground beef up in this, and I think I'm gonna make that on my cooking video. Let me know. Leave it in the comments if you think I can create that. But check out the nacho. You guys, this is a chicken nacho with the bell peppers, the onions, the tomato, and we got the we got the cheese sauce. Guys, when I tell you we have the jalapeno peppers on this, me and Carter, yeah, baby, y'all see that grown folks drink right there? Ooh, you know Mama got to get her drinking. Yes. I'm above age, what you mean? But anyway, check it out. It tasted absolutely delicious. Now I'm going to tell you guys, it had a little Tito's in it. Okay, but we're going to put that aside because we're going to pull these nachos on up and we're going to go to work. Yes, these nachos were so delicious. We had a little lettuce on there, jalapeno peppers, tomatoes on that bite. But I was pretty much full when I came to Condado's, right? If you haven't went to Condado's, go find it in Detroit, Midtown, Detroit. I don't know, that was my second time going, and I really enjoyed it. But did you see Carter? Now he had took a bite of pepper for the first time. Yeah, it bit him, okay? Check it out. But that cheese sauce was amazing. I thought they was going to put that cheese sauce on my nachos, but they did a different type of cheese sauce. But it was still good. It was very enjoyable. And I must say, the restaurant atmosphere was very clean. And I love the picture on the wall. I wish I could have showed you more, but the camera, I had to prop it up. So please forgive me for having our faces cut off. I'm still in training. But anywho, you guys, when I tell you the nachos was the bomb, the taco, and then they give you the option to build your own nacho for the price, I think around about $12. But I'm not sure. Don't check me on that, okay? We just over here having a little lunch, right? Well, typically my lunch is my dinner, but hey, I still enjoyed it. It was definitely food and drink, Hey, what can you do? I mean, besides enjoy yourself.
You having fun?
Every day and
You will.
around good company. You guys, when I tell you, just looking at the video, just to do the talk over, I mean, my mouth is watering for that again. When I tell you, this was a definitely good bite of nachos, it really was. And you guys, if you're a first-time viewer, thank you. If you're a long-time rider, I really appreciate you just as much. You guys, get your bite. Just gonna get your bite, okay? But anyway, Carter is loving that cheese sauce. And when I tell you, we was trying not to carry anything home. But, like I said, if you watch my Parmesan chicken drumsticks, you guys know I was a tad full. Because I ate me one or two of those prior to coming to Condado's. Because I didn't know. I just love to go out and test food, and I'm getting into the voiceovers and a little more into YouTube, right? Because your girl had to learn, you know? She got to learn. And there's no other way to learn than to teach yourself. But thumbs me up. Subscribe to the channel and come join your fam. We're going to learn this together. And you can always email and give me your next restaurant you want me to visit, or what recipe that you want me to create. You know, let's keep in touch, you know. So anywho, you guys, when I tell you, at this point, I think I was getting full to the, you know, max. I don't like to be full to where I go home and sleep on it, but I definitely could use a nap right now, but I'm gonna fight my way through there, okay? Because your girl knows. Now I will say, they chip is very crunchy. When I say crunchy, crunchy. When I tell the nacho chip, it's tasty. Yeah, it's tasty. It's definitely delicious. I don't know how they make them, but I will have to say, now, I prefer a lighter chip because this was more of a heavier. Does that make sense? I don't know, you guys. All I know is I was just floating with the situation, right? So I'm scooting over because I want to actually see how the chicken is, which is more of a shredded chicken. And, you know, you had a couple of chunks in there, but it made the perfect bite. It made the perfect bite. So I was like, you know, I couldn't stop chewing, you know. So I went over and I got me some more of that salt and I put it on that nacho chip, right? Because, like I say, that nacho chip, it had me wondering. I could see the tomatoes up in there. Y'all, I'm finna get ready to go. So y'all, have a good day. Enjoy this video to the fullest. And I promise you, I will be back. So until then, I'm going to go ahead and I think this going to be my last bite. So have a blessed one and enjoy this video to the fullest. Bye.